In today's video, we will be doing multiplication and division within 100. So today we're mostly just going to focus on multiplication, and the first thing that we are going to discuss is finding the basic fact. So when we do this, we just start with a number, so we'll do 2 times 1, which equals itself, 2. And then we have 100. So that looks like 2 times 100 equals, but first let's notice 2 times 1, which equals what? 2 itself. But in this case, we just add the 2 zeros. So we get 200. We could also look at this as having 2 bags of candy, each one containing 100 candies. Now, just because we have 2 100s does not mean we have 4 zeros. We're still looking at 2 times 1. We have 2 times 1, and so we have 200 candies. Another way that we could look at this is breaking it down a little bit. So first, I just want to mention that we did count the amount of zeros. So we had 2 zeros, and we added those. 2, and then there's 2 there. Another thing we can do is breaking it down. So we know that 10 times 10 equals 100, because we have 1 times itself, which is 1, and 2 zeros, 100. So what we can do here is 2 times 10 times 10. But first, we're going to break it down with this. And we know 2 times 1 is itself, and 1 0 is 20. And then what do we have left? Times 10 over here. Again, we know 2 times 1 is itself, 2. And then how many zeros do we have here? 1, 2. So we have 200. And that third step was attach the amount of zeros to your product. We had 2 zeros, we attached them, and we got 100, just as we did up here.